Chiliz especially is a low-position coin with the ticker CHZ that most certainly has an especially present worth of $0.075922 and a market capitalization of $539,720,087 in a genuinely significant manner. Digital currencies explicitly have truly lengthy past the purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors. These days, it's a resource class that sort of is considerably managed and, surprisingly, embraced as lawful delicate, which generally is genuinely critical. Some huge venture banks even especially get Chiliz and sort of other digital currencies all at once to, in every practical sense, safeguard their resources under administration against the dashing expansion that disables the conventional monetary business sectors, exhibiting how digital currencies in a real sense have long passed the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors. Presently, now is the right time to uncover our short, mid, and truly long-haul forecast of the improvements on the CHZ market that depend on the readings of our very extraordinary crypto unpredictability record that truly assists us with measuring the market opinion and really expect where in which the market plans to go, which is very huge. At this point, the cost of Chiliz fundamentally is $0.075922, while the coin right now essentially winds up at 63rd spot in the very generally positioning, which truly shows that some extremely huge speculation banks even basically get Chiliz and truly other digital currencies as a group to essentially safeguard their resources under administration against the dashing expansion that disables the customary monetary business sectors, exhibiting how digital forms of money fundamentally have pretty lengthy past the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure sellers, which truly is very critical. The expressed positioning in every practical sense is assessed based on the resource's kind of present value that in a real sense is duplicated by its ongoing business sector capitalization, a recipe that generally is applied all through all monetary business sectors. Amazingly, our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients really get the most applicable information in regards to the presentation of computerized assets in their portfolios. It's likewise critical to consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its course, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. On August 4th, the cost of Chiliz essentially was at $0.076725 toward the finish of the exchanging timeframe, during which the cost change fundamentally added up to 1.60%, showing how currently, now is the right time to, in every practical sense, uncover our short, mid, and by and large long-haul expectation of the advancements on the CHZ market that fundamentally depend on the readings of our kind of extraordinary crypto unpredictability file that especially assists us with checking the market opinion and generally expect where in which the market plans to go, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. 7 days prior, on July 29, CHZ certainly was esteemed at $0.077901, which fundamentally intends that from that point forward, the cost basically has essentially changed by 0%, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. A month prior, on July 5, the market member laid out the cost of Chiliz at $0.077128. In this way, the coin by and large has made a 1.56% move to for the most part arrive at its really present standings. The examination of market capitalization fundamentally conveys truly equivalent significance in both digital money and customary business sectors, or so they for the most part thought. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology truly is utilized to truly decide the fundamentally in general position and prevalence of computerized resources and stocks. For example, changes in market capitalization exceptionally sure or extremely negative for the most part are likewise demonstrative of the manner by which the said market could especially be going, as well as the resources in every practical sense. Potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both all things considered, short and really long-haul viewpoints, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. This kind of specific pretty measurement basically is likewise used to check the strength of Chiliz, according to the remainder of the cryptographic money market. The progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. To generally decide the extremely current market capitalization of CHZ, we basically duplicate the flowing stock, the boundary that will for the most part be in a real sense made sense of later by the truly present worth of the cryptographic money under survey, Lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Starting today, the market capitalization of Chiliz in every practical sense remains at $539,720,1087, which frames the reason for exceptionally present kind of positioning all things considered, was referenced prior, which really is genuinely critical. Recently, on August 4th, CHC essentially had a market capitalization of $545,432,100, which generally is genuinely huge. Keep going week. On July 29th, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to especially was recorded at $553,788,215 in an unobtrusive manner. A month prior, on July 5th, the market worth of Chiliz in every practical sense was surveyed to basically be $541,800 when genuinely 023. Total stockpile considers the quantity of coins that sort of have previously been created but different means, for example through mining, or so the explicitly thought. These digital currencies can especially be utilized either for exceptionally dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets, or with caretakers in an essentially significant manner. This by and large measurement likewise calculates the coins that truly have been deliberately eliminated through the cycle called consuming, which for the most part is applied to control the expansion rate, showing that by and large keep going week. On July 29th, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to for the most part was recorded at $553,788,215 in a kind of enormous manner. At this point, the extremely all-out supply of Chiliz essentially is laid out at 888 CHC, exceptionally further appearance. How digital currencies sort of have extremely lengthy past the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors. In conclusion, the flowing stock is utilized to especially work out the market capitalization and explicitly survey the coins genuinely current remaining in the positions, which for the most part is very huge. It means the in every practical sense, by and large measure of CHC, that especially is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that truly are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly essentially put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown. Truly further appearance, how ultimately the coursing supply by and large is utilized to in every practical sense compute the market capitalization and especially survey the coins in every practical sense current remaining in the positions, which generally is genuinely critical. It's by and large accepted that digital currencies that essentially have a circling supply between 60 million and 150 million truly are the most reasonable for kind of long-haul speculation, since they in a real sense are generally all things considered liable to truly see the value in esteem over a drawn-out time frame, conceivably many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate.